Hold onto your steering wheels, car lovers, because today on 4-Wheel Channel, we're diving headfirst into some serious automotive excitement. The buzz has been building, and we've got the scoop that's bound to rev your engines. The iconic Holden Kingswood is rumored to make a thunderous comeback in 2025. Get ready for an adrenaline-packed exclusive that will have you gripping the edge of your seat. For those new to the legend, the Holden Kingswood is more than just a car. It's a symbol of Australian motoring heritage. This rumored revival has been firing up fans, sparking wild anticipation among both classic car enthusiasts and die-hard Holden loyalists. While there hasn't been an official announcement from GM or Holden, the whisper of a new Kingswood has already shifted gears in the auto world, and we're here to fuel the excitement. Why the hype? Well, the world's seeing a resurgence of classic cars with a modern twist, and Holden could be next in line. Just as Ford revived the Bronco and Chevrolet reimagined the Camaro, Holden seems ready to reawaken the spirit of its storied past. And trust us, if this is true, it could be the most epic revival since the original Kingswood rolled off the assembly line. So, what could the 2025 Holden Kingswood look like? Picture this, a redesigned, wide-as-ever grille that pays homage to its legacy, but with a fresh, chrome twist that radiates power. Modern LED headlights may illuminate the road ahead while giving off a sleek, futuristic vibe. And of course, the iconic dual-lamp position could make a comeback, evoking a heady sense of nostalgia for the purists. As for size, this new Kingswood may be bigger, bolder, and broader. In a world where SUVs rule the roads, this Kingswood might just steal the show. Expect an imposing stance, with beefier fenders, larger rims, and an interior designed to maximize both space and style. Imagine driving a vehicle that not only captures the rugged spirit of an SUV, but also the class and charm of a classic sedan. Sounds thrilling, right? Naturally, the Kingswood will face some fierce competitors, but with the ever-loyal Holden fanbase, it's bound to make a memorable mark. So, will this legendary ride be roaring back onto the roads? The thought alone has us counting down the days. Ready for more thrilling insights? Drop your thoughts on the potential return of the Kingswood in the comments, and let us know if this iconic machine will make it to your wish list. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned to 4-Wheel Channel for all the latest on this automotive adventure. Until next time, drive fast, stay curious, and keep your engines roaring.